back to the channel, everybody. And thank you everybody for the thumbs up and the subscribers. Thank you so much. Appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Today we're going to do an unboxing. It's a 1/4 scale skyrc dirt bike. It's brushless. It's kind of neat. And wanted to share it with you. A friend of mine bought it and he's like, here, do it for me. So he's wanting me to go ahead and get this thing out here to you guys. And we're going to do the unboxing, going to check it out a little bit. We're actually going to do a little bit of run video with it as well. Try different little setups. And hope you guys like it. I appreciate it. Thanks. We're going to get right to it now. And there it is. This is from skyrc. It's a 1/4 scale RC dirt bike. And what's unique about this one is, we're going to get this thing turned around so we can see everything. Give me just a minute here, guys. There we go. You see, it's actually got a brushless stability in it. That's actually kind of neat. It's going to make it a whole lot better. And you can actually change it while you go. RPM LED. And it's switch for RPM settings, so you can set everything up. Governor board, everything, so you got it all set up. Let's see, it's got a brushless motor in it, 3200 kV, 60 amp ESC. So this thing you can actually run between a 6 and an 8 cell nickel hydride or a 2 to 3S lipo. And we're going to run lipo in this thing, but this thing comes ready to run out of the box. And it's got front and rear oil shocks on it, rear single, dual front piston shocks. This thing's actually pretty neat. Get some breakdown here for you guys. There we go. It comes with a anodized aluminum chassis, a full adjustable chain, metal chain, as well as chain drive, and there's your dual front shocks, oil filled shocks right there. And it comes with a 3200 kV brushless sensorless motor, 60 amp ESC. Let's get right into this thing and get this thing opened up. I want to see the detail on this thing. That's what I want to see. That's what I'm ready to see. Book right at the top, very nice. Gonna have to read on that to make sure we get everything set up properly. Looks like it's well boxed. Look at that. It comes with a stand for the bike. Nice. Pretty sure it goes like that. Of course, controller, Fly Sky, very nice. I like Fly Sky. That's what I use all the time. I want to check out the little buttons on here. See what all they give you. Oh, very nice. Steering, throttle, nice reverse servo, bind button, power on off. Pretty basic controller, pretty simple. 4 AA battery, that's okay. Use that for a while. We're gonna have to mark this so we can keep this in track so we know what's what. Yeah. Look at that. They even send you batteries with it. Nice. Very nice. I'm kind of digging it already. Oh well, bike's got a little weight to it. Give you little skid stands if you need them. Look at that little bag of goodies. Very nice. I'm glad they send you goodies. So we can get this thing set up and check this thing out. Battery in the bottom. See that? Door opens up, battery goes right in at the bottom. Yeah, what do you think of that? I like the detail. Look at that. Nice little guy with the head. Nice. fully removable. Let's go ahead and remove the body and see what this thing looks like. Looks like just a couple pins. Yeah. Looks like just a few little body pins. I don't want to unbolt everything. Yeah, looks like we're going to have to take the screws out. Yeah, we're going to have to take those out so we can move the guide. There's your ESC right there. I like this thing. We're definitely going to have to put a run on this one today for you guys. Oh wow, they make the body clips a little tight. Oh yeah, it's got the little protective film on it. I'm going to leave that for now. But yeah, chain drive. I'm gonna get you guys around to check this thing out with me. And here is the bike. Nice, full suspension work. Very nice. Only downfall is soft dirt.
In the sand, it won't pick back up.
But I think pavement and the hard compact clay stuff will work beautifully. We're going to send it one more time. Somewhat. Yeah, I think the hard clay is the trick for it. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's just a little windy today. Alright, the motorcycle under 3S power now. Oh! So, what do you guys think? Is it cool or what? Got some pretty good air. I kind of like it running on 3S way better than the nickel metal hydride battery it comes with. Definitely, if you're going to purchase this thing, run a 3S. Run a lipo in it. Be your best bet. Thing is crazy fast. It'll ride wheelies for days. Definitely a lot of throttle control. A lot of getting used to, but we're going to get it. We're going to do some epic videos with this thing. I'm hoping to do some crazy stuff with it. Not enough to break it, but some cool stuff. And I'm going to share it with you guys with it. And my review on this thing, I'm going to give it, as it stands right now, a 10 out of 10. This thing is awesome. Check it out. Maybe you guys might want to purchase this thing. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell so you know when I post new videos up. And if you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. And I appreciate it. Thanks.